I'm very happy to see there are lots of people who have said that, uh, you know, who have said this to me before, that it's commendable that you allow space and let others do their thing. I'm like, to that I'm like, well, is there any other way? You know, it's how I am. It's just who I am.
If you
Great.
introduce yourself.
I will. I will. Thank you, sir. Hi, Ranveer. I'm
Hello, ma'am.
Sukanya. This is
Hi,
actually our third rendezvous, if you may. The first was when I interviewed you at the YRF studios for Noblesse magazine.
Uh-huh.
The second was when I interviewed you
And we
for
did the
EO.
shoot in air.
Yes.
You
Oh my
remember?
gosh, that is correct.
Yeah.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
And the second was when I interviewed you for EO last year before Diwali or at Diwali, I'm not sure, with the other gentleman who's also a radio jockey. Sorry, I'm not being elitist, but like I can't remember his name.
Okay.
Um,
But
So-
that would have been via remote.
yeah, it was on Zoom.
There you go.
Yeah, I have pictures for you. But anyway, I like to sort of think of myself and very many more millennials as a creative, like chameleon of sorts, right? Like I am frankly finding it exhausting to juggle the very many roles that I do as writer, author, ballerina, psychologist. Like, I do a
Ballerina?
bunch of things. Yes.
Okay.
So-
Diverse.
No, so I mean, my question to you is, as someone who is similar to you in a sense of being thirsty, being wanting to be more, being wanting to do more, just wanting to do it all, right? What is your take on failure? Because that's something that I am hugely, petrified of. And what is your take on ambition? Because that's something that truly, truly keeps me up at night. And it's truly something that I wake up to every morning, pumped up and charged. So, yeah, that's my question for you.
Okay. Thank you for that. Okay. So, I, over a period of time, have nurtured, cultivated, or molded myself into a person who's not result oriented. I'm not attached to the result of anything. I just detach myself from the result. Thank you. And it's not easy. You really have to get past your fears in order to arrive at that place where you're not attached to the result of something. I attach only that much value to the result. It's success or failure. Success or failure is what? It's a result. I'm not attached to the result. I am about the process. I am just happy to be there doing that. For me, the most magic moments are being on set, creating, thinking of a line, thinking of giving the director a suggestion, giving the shot, being in the shot, being present in the shot, having some moment of truth between action and cut. The creation, when you're at the monitor with your collaborators watching the shot and you're like, wow, that's a great shot. For me, it's about the process. The process is the prize. It's not the prize. It's the process that is most rewarding to me. And I attach value to the process. So I've detached myself from the result. I don't get too carried away by success. I don't get bogged down by failure, because they aren't where I attach my value. My
I'll just
value.
jump in right
Gee.
there and say something. Sorry, I don't know if this is working.
Gee, it
It's
is.
working, yes.
Okay. Your Instagram bio says living the dream.
Yeah.
So for someone who's living the dream, it's pretty easy to say you're not attached to success or failure. And I'm sure you're not, because I know you're a process guy. When I chatted with you for the Noblesse, cover story, he, by the way, enacted the whole Rocky Balboa scene, and what was supposed to be a Q&A that was supposed to span 20 minutes took 3 hours. But hey, I wasn't
that's me.
complaining. So yeah, I think
Sounds about right.
Exactly. So I think like for someone who's already tasted that level of success and who's quote unquote living the dream, it's fantastic. But hey, there's like people like me, right?
Yeah.
Who are hustling hard every day.
Yeah.
And of course, I almost became a Bollywood star, but I didn't. Anyway, that's a story for a new day. But just to say that I think the fear of failure, or rather the sort of fear of not doing enough, is what plagues a lot of us multi-potentialites and millennial multi-potentialites at that, because we want to do it all and we want to be it all. So for someone who is already being more and doing more, what is like your prime tip to us?
Keep hustling. You in the hustle, just keep hustling, because that's what you got to do, right? That hustle itself is the process, right? Now, I'll be the first one to admit to you that if this great big thing did not happen in my life, if I didn't get this blessing of given these opportunities to be an actor, I would have probably shaped up as a different person. You know, I can't deny that my struggle period, and as grateful as I am for it, because it taught me a lot and it made me value my opportunities that I have today. I value them so deeply only because I've seen a time where there was none of it, right? So, so I kept, and I'll be the first one to admit that that does fill you in with angst, you know, when you're not getting what you want or what you're hustling for. It went on for a good 3.5, 4 years, and it was frustrating, and it does create angst and bitterness. But what you're gonna do, right? It's when hard work and talent meets opportunities when that magic happens, right? Now you got to do what's in your hands. In your hands is the hustle. You got to keep hustling, okay? And I'll also say that I created my own luck. It's not just luck. I created my own luck. You know, I put myself in a position where something might have happened for me, and it did. But the first part of that is to put yourself in that position. So my pro tip would be keep hustling, keep at it, and yeah, I have a very extremist approach to it. You know, I'm like, man, like you either there is no plan B. There is no plan B. One way or another, I'm gonna make this happen. I will I will push and work if and make it happen if it's the last thing I do. And matlab I'll give my life to it. So yeah, that when you give it everything, at the end of the day, if it works out for you, it doesn't work out for you, and there are very slim chances that it won't work out for you if you really give it your all, truly, in the truest sense. um, you will not feel, you won't have any regret, you won't have any disappointment if you truly gave it your all. You know, just keep at it, keep doing it, keep hustling. That's
Super, thank
it's that's what it's about, really.